When it comes to beauty, lip care is all too often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in achieving a radiant, healthy complexion. Glowing skin isn't just about what you put on your face, it extends to every detail, right down to your lips. From nourishing routines to simple lifestyle tweaks, here are 20 essential tips for comprehensive lip care and achieving that coveted full-face glow. First, hydration bond is fundamental, not only for your skin, but for your lips as well. Dehydrated lips can appear cracked, dull, and lifeless, detracting from your overall vibrancy. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip it regularly. Your lips and skin will thank you. Second, never underestimate the power of a good lip balm. Choose products with natural emollients such as shea butter, coconut oil, or beeswax. These ingredients form a protective barrier that locks in moisture, keeping lips supple throughout the day. Apply a rich balm in the morning, at night, and as needed. Third, guard your lips against the sun's damaging rays. Just as with your skin, lips are vulnerable to UV exposure, which can lead to premature aging and dryness. Select lip balms or glosses that contain SPF 15 or higher, reapplying frequently, especially when outdoors. Fourth, gently exfoliate your lips once or twice a week. Use a soft toothbrush or a homemade sugar scrub. Mix a teaspoon of brown sugar with a drop of honey or olive oil to buff away dead skin. This makes lips appear smoother, softer, and naturally more radiant. Fifth, resist the urge to lick your lips. While it might provide temporary relief, saliva actually strips natural oils away, causing further dryness and chapping. Instead, keep your favorite balm close for moments when your lips feel parched. Sixth, mindful nutrition plays a massive role in both lip and skin health. Add antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds to your meals. Vitamin E in particular helps protect your lips from environmental damage and speeds up the healing process for chapped areas. Seventh, avoid matte and long-wear lipsticks if your lips are feeling dry. These formulas can dehydrate the delicate skin even further. Opt for creamy, hydrating lipsticks or tinted balms, and always prime your lips with a moisturizer before wearing any color. Eighth, incorporate a nighttime lip mask into your beauty regime. Heavy-duty balms or dedicated masks work while you sleep, deeply replenishing moisture so you wake up to pillowy soft lips come morning. Ninth, be gentle when removing lip color, especially after wearing stains or long-lasting formulas. Use a gentle makeup remover or coconut oil to dissolve pigment and avoid scrubbing or tugging, which can cause micro tears. 10th, steer clear of flavored or fragranced lip products if you're prone to irritation. Artificial scents and flavorings can sometimes cause allergic reactions, leading to redness, swelling, or peeling. 11th, invest in a humidifier if you live in a dry climate or spend lots of time in air-conditioned environments. Additional indoor moisture helps prevent lips and skin from becoming parched, especially during winter. 12th, don't forget your lips during your nightly skincare routine. After cleansing your face, apply your favorite balm as your final step to lock in hydration overnight. 13th, massage your lips gently as you apply balm or oil. Using your fingertip, make small circular motions to stimulate circulation. This promotes natural plumping and imparts a healthy pink flush, enhancing your glow. 14th, pay attention to the ingredients in your lip products. Avoid those with petroleum or paraben bases, which can create a dependence and sometimes exacerbate dryness. Stick to nourishing oils, butters, and natural waxes for the best results. 15th, manage stress for healthy skin and lips. High stress levels can disrupt the skin's protective barrier and show up as dryness or outbreaks around the mouth. Incorporate relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, into your daily routine. 16th, don't overlook the role of sleep. Adequate rest allows your skin, including your lips, to repair and regenerate. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to wake up with a refreshed complexion and soft lips. 17th, clean your phone regularly and practice good oral hygiene. Bacteria from phones or unwashed hands can easily transfer to your lips, causing blemishes or irritation along the lip line. Use antibacterial wipes on your phone and try not to touch your face unnecessarily. 18th, consider supplementing with omega-3 fatty acids if your skin and lips are persistently dry. These healthy fats promote elasticity and moisture retention throughout the skin. Flax seeds, walnuts, and salmon are excellent dietary sources, or consult with your healthcare provider about supplements. 19th, try a DIY lip spa once a week. Start with gentle exfoliation, then apply a nourishing mask made from honey or yogurt, and finish with a thick layer of balm. This ritual can also double as a relaxing self-care moment and contributes to your skin's overall radiance. Finally, embrace your natural lips. Overworking them with constant products or harsh treatments can do more harm than good. Accept periods of minimal intervention, focusing on simple hydration and nourishment, and observe how your lips thrive with a less is more approach. As we transition from focused lip care into holistic advice for glowing skin, remember that glowing skin is more than a trend. It's a reflection of your internal health, lifestyle choices, and how you treat your body. Along with the lip-specific tips above, integrating smart habits and gentle skincare practices across your routine will amplify your facial radiance. Consistency is key. Set up a morning and evening skincare routine that involves gentle cleansing, regular moisturizing, and appropriate treatments for your skin type. Exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead cells and reveal fresh, dewy layers beneath. Don't neglect sun protection. Daily SPF is essential, even on cloudy days, since harmful rays can lead to premature aging, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Make sunscreen a staple, as important as your moisturizer or cleanser. Introduce antioxidant serums into your regimen. Vitamin C, niacinamide, and ferulic acid are excellent choices to brighten and protect the skin from environmental stressors. These serums help minimize inflammation, boost collagen, and even out your skin tone. Gentle facial massages boost circulation, relax facial muscles, and enhance lymphatic drainage. Use clean fingers or a facial roller, applying soft, upward strokes. This stimulates blood flow, imparting an instant healthy glow. Avoid touching your face excessively. Our hands pick up bacteria and dirt throughout the day, so minimize contact to prevent transferring impurities that could clog pores or cause breakouts. Prioritize your sleep schedule, since overnight is when your skin repairs itself most effectively. Use this time for richer creams or targeted treatments, letting them work uninterrupted. Balance your diet by including colorful vegetables and fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E are especially beneficial for skin health. Keep your stress in check through regular exercise, deep breathing, or engaging hobbies. Elevated cortisol levels can trigger inflammation and breakouts, so taking time to recharge mentally is as important as the products you use externally. Never skip removing your makeup before bed. Residual cosmetics can clog pores and impede the natural regeneration process, resulting in dull, tired-looking skin. Regularly clean items that touch your face inside and outside the house, like pillowcases, makeup brushes, and face towels, to prevent buildup of bacteria and oils. Stay mindful of how environmental factors like pollution, heating, or humidity can affect your skin. Adapting your routine seasonally by using lighter products in summer or richer formulas during winter ensures consistent nourishment. Finally, listen to your skin. If you notice sensitivity, new breakouts, or excess dryness, consider scaling back your regimen. Sometimes less is more. Gentle care allows your skin's natural balance to flourish and gives you the radiant glow you seek. By combining intentional lip care with a holistic approach to overall skin health, you lay the foundation for luminous beauty that radiates from within. Small daily habits become transformative acts of self-care, nurturing every part of the face with equal attention and love. Remember, true beauty shines brightest when it's cultivated from the inside out, through hydration, nourishment, and an appreciation for your unique features, lips included.